In this video, I am going to show you Google One AI Premium Plan. So this should be a quick and easy process video. So as you can see, these are the details in Google AI Pro. There is Gemini app, you get more access to most capable model 2.5 Pro and deep research on 2.5 Pro. Flow access to AI filmmaking tool, custom built with Veo 3 to create cinematic scenes and stories. Higher limits for image to video creation with Veo 2 and 1000 monthly AI credits. And as you can see, these are the plans and pricing. So for premium, there is 2 terabytes. You will save money with this offer and you will pay monthly fee. You get a discount also and share storage with up to 5 others. There is Google Workspace premium features, 2 terabytes of storage, Photos, Drive and Gmail.